Iguanas, despite being large and heavy-looking, are fast and agile. Their tails make up over half their length, and can be used as a defense against predators. Iguanas have extremely good eyesight, and can even see ultraviolet wavelengths. Iguanas spend most of their lives in trees, and have a number of special adaptations that help them live in this environment. One of these adaptations is a third eye. Types of iguanas. There are two main types of iguana, and several other closely related species that also have iguana in their names. The two main types of iguana are the green iguana and the lesser Antillean iguana. The green iguana is usually just called an iguana. When people are talking about iguanas, they are usually referring to green iguanas. Unless specified, this is the type of iguana we'll be talking about in this article. Green iguanas live in Central and South America and on Caribbean islands. They are also kept as pets. Green iguanas have a large, round scale on the sides of their faces. This is known as a subtympanic shield. Lesser Antillean iguana. The other main type of iguana is the lesser Antillean iguana. Lesser Antillean iguanas are found on the Lesser Antilles Islands. They are an endangered species, due to habitat loss, hunting, and also to competition with green iguanas. Lesser Antillean iguanas have shorter faces than green iguanas and do not have stripes on their tails. They also lack the big scale on the side of the head that is present in green iguanas. Lesser Antillean iguanas tend to be various shades of gray in color, with paler scales around their heads. How big are iguanas? Iguanas can grow to between 1.5 and 2 meters in length. They weigh around 4 to 8 kilograms. What do iguanas look like? Despite their name, green iguanas vary in color, from pink to black, often depending on where they come from. Their color allows them to blend into their environment, protecting them from predation. Iguanas have a row of spines running down their backs to their tails. Their tails are striped. The iguanas in the video below were spotted in Florida. Iguanas have 3 eyes. Iguanas have a special third eye on the top of their heads. This eye, called a parietal eye, doesn't see images like normal eyes. Instead, it senses lightness/darkness and movement. Iguanas use this third eye to detect predators. What do iguanas eat? Iguanas are herbivores, plant eaters, and eat grasses, leaves, flowers, and fruit. Iguana threats and defensive tactics. Iguanas have sharp teeth, spines on their backs, and powerful tails, all of which can be used against attackers. Like many other lizards, iguanas can shed their tails. They do this if they are being attacked by a predator. The tail comes off in the predator's mouth, allowing the iguana to make its escape. The tail usually grows back, although not often as long as it used to be. Another defensive tactic used by iguanas in the trees is simply to jump into water and swim to safety.